Hi and welcome back. My name is Njeri Mbogwa, for those who don't know me, from Veewave Enterprises. And as I always promise you, whenever I get something good that can serve you and serve you the best, I will always bring it to you. And today, I'm bringing to you a 3-bedroom Maisonette. And all the 3 bedrooms are ensuite. It is located in Kibiko Ngong. This 3-bedroom is value for your money. So let us take a tour. Actually, I will start with the outside tour as I take you through the inside tour. So from outside, we start here. We have a garden. You're the one to decide. From this end, you can access your garden through the sitting area door. So let's go to the other side. So information, this house is seated on a 30 by 50 plot. From now, this other side here is so spacious, as you can see. And this is the back side. And at the back side, of course, you can use it with the hanging lines or whatever other purpose that you want to use it with. And from here, it's where you can place your machine, your washing machine. Yeah, this is like a laundry area. The provision of the laundry area is here, which you can access it from the kitchen. And yeah, from the kitchen, this is the kitchen door. And still we have more space here. Still we have the more space here. So our 30 by 50 is well used up to this end. As I can walk, you can see it. Yeah, all this area is your area. Yeah, now from this point, I want to take you to the sitting area, the inside tour. So from here, I want to take you through the inside tour. And actually, from the outside, you can see this place is really amazing. And even the door, you can see it's a very strong door. And something to note, since this is phase 3, we already had phase 1, phase 2, and now we are in phase 3. So whichever house that I'm taking you through, it's already customized according to the client's preferences. But for the standard finishes that we do with we have already done with phase 1 and phase 2, I will still continue putting them or integrating them in this video. So work with me and see the amazing job that has been done, and see that this is a value for your money. So from the main entrance, it guides us to the sitting area, the living room. Here you can see a very spacious living area, and the windows and the doors, we are experiencing natural lighting. Like I have told you, the interiors, this has been already done for a client. He already saw the phase 2 and the phase 1, and now we had to customize this whole thing according to his and her preferences. So the living area has enough space for the dining area and also the kitchen. In our kitchen, you can still see the kitchen is so spacious, so spacious, where we also have a pantry in the kitchen. So you have enough space for your storage. And actually from the kitchen also, you remember when we were outside, I showed you the laundry area. You can access the laundry area from the kitchen. So, like I have told you, this is a 3-bedroom, which are all ensuite, and all the 3 bedrooms are upstairs. And here downstairs, we have an SQ. So it's a 3-bedroom plus 1 SQ. So allow me to take you through the SQ and the common washroom here downstairs. Come with me. Yeah, this is the SQ. And as you can see from where I am, it's so spacious. all this area. The cabinets are here, and it has its own washroom here. This is the shower area. The shower area is here already. The toilet and the basin is here. So from the SQ, I'll take you to the cloakroom. I'm at the common washroom. Here, the toilet, the common washroom, and we also have a basin at the common washroom. So from here downstairs, I want to take you through the 3 bedrooms, and I will start with the first 2 bedrooms, then we finish with the master bedroom. And on these stairs, like I have told you that we have already customized the house according to the customer's preference of this house. So normally the stairs are tiles, but we can customize to any other type of floor that you request. So from this point, we have our 2 small bedrooms, this side and this side. And our master bedroom is on the other side. I will take you later. And I think you can agree with me. The design is perfect. Separating the 2 bedrooms, the small 2 bedrooms with the master ensuite is a brilliant idea. So let me take you to the one of the smallest bedroom. And actually, it is not as small as I'm saying. It's very spacious, really spacious. And as you can see, the windows are really big. The windows are really big. This is to give this room the natural light. That means you don't need to keep your lights on every time. So we are there saving the lights and the power. Like I have said, it is ensuite. Here we go. The shower area. The shower area looking really good. The toilet as well. The basin as well. The mirror as well. Everything is well put and so intact. And another thing that I'm loving about this house are the woodwork of the doors. They really look professional. Yeah, actually these are the standard doors. So these ones have not been customized. But any other, even the color, you can decide maybe this bedroom you want a different color from other bedrooms. There is still that allowance of you like changing the colors. From now, our first bedroom, we are walking to the second bedroom, which is similar to the first bedroom that I have taken you. The size and everything, they are similar. That's why we are calling them the 2 small bedrooms. But in real sense, they are not as small as you think. Again, here we have the shower area. In the washroom, we have the shower area, the toilet, and the basin. Basically, those are our 2 small bedrooms in this Maisonette. Now, from here, let me take you to the master ensuite. It's huge. And I take you to the master bedroom. We have a door here where you can access the balcony, the upstairs balcony. You can access it from the 2 bedrooms or from the downstairs. You can come to the outside balcony. Then from that point, this is where we are accessing our master ensuite. Wow, see how big it is. Me, I love spaces. I love houses with big spaces. And that's why I'm in love with this one. I don't think, okay, maybe there are, but the best part of this house is the kitchen. For me, it's the kitchen and the master ensuite. See the area. Yeah, and of course, you can access the outside using the bedroom without basically going outside. And we have a walk-in closet here, and the cabinets, the spaces, the cabinets are spacious. So much space, so much space, so much space, so much space. Yes, so much. The storage is enough for everything that you might be having. And from the walk-in closet, I want now to take you to the washroom of this master ensuite. Actually, the master ensuite is like just another room. There is the bathtub, the toilet, the shower area. It's here. The shower area is here. And the basin is here. See the water. We have enough water. And now from this point, let me take you to the outside balcony. And I told you that the outside balcony, you can access it from the master ensuite without necessarily going outside. So if you want to refresh in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, when you even have your visitors, you can actually refresh from this area. Yeah, and that is our property for today. I believe you love it. And now, I know you are there asking, how much is this amazing property? Yes, the property is only 14.5 million if you're buying it in cash. And if you're buying it in mortgage, it is 14.8 million. And like I have told you, you can customize it according to your preferences. So when you customize it according to your preferences, and your choice is not within our wide range of choices, not the 14.5 or the 14.8 will go slightly higher. And if you're there, you are outside the country, don't be scared, because Veewave Enterprises is here to supervise the whole process, because it is an off-plan. So the Veewave Enterprises is here to supervise your construction process until we achieve your dream and your goal. And guess what? If your purpose is to rent it out, we will gladly get a tenant for you and also manage it for you. And for more information about this property, contact the number that is displayed on the screen. And until next time, have yourself a great time.